Hello, this is John Rawnsley, independent affiliate with FreeBay. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to restore your core desktop wallet. Once again, I'm an independent affiliate and none of my videos are corporate videos, or they are nothing to do with G999. So you should make sure and check the contents before you proceed once you're satisfied. Thank you. So, we've lost our core wallet, it's got corrupted. What do we actually do? Well, the first thing you've got to do is actually download again the installation. So go to G999main.net, select G999 wallet and download the installation that's pertinent to your operating system. Once we do that and save that to the file, we can then go to where it has actually been downloaded to. So this is actually downloaded to my download section. So if I go to downloads, find it and double click on that. Now this time I'm going to actually extract it, and I'm going to extract it to my USB drive. So I'm going to look for my USB drive. Once I've put it in, find my USB drive, and I'm going to actually extract it to G999 backup file. Now the reason I'm doing that is that's another file that I would need to restore in future, so it's just another one of the G999 restore files for me. So we're just going to install that into there now, and once that's opened up within that file, copied within that file, we shall go to the install process. So the first thing I'm going to do is find out where my folder was. So you could see here it's C G999 data, and that's where the wallet was. So I don't have that file now in my C drive, so I'm going to create a new folder, G999, and I'm going to create data, spelt exactly the same, lowercase. So I've created the file that my old wallet was actually working to. So once I actually start the installation by double clicking G999-QT, it will install everything that it needs to in the old place, because it will look for the G999. So whilst that's restoring and just starting up, you'll notice that I've gone through a few scenarios moving forward. So this first scenario, you'll see there is actually no transactions within here. Nothing really has come through. That's because I've just loaded a blank wallet without actually using my backup disk. So I'm going to close this now and wait for the core wallet to shut down completely. Now we're going to go to my flash drive. We're going to select backup, and I'm going to copy the latest backup that I did. So we've copied that file, and now we're going to go to C G999 data, and we're going to paste that file in there. We're going to delete the wallet.dat, and we're going to rename the backup wallet. This is our backup that has now replaced the wallet that was installed earlier on. So once again, we go to the G999 QT, I'm going to put it on my desktop because we're opening this more than once and it makes life easier. Double click it. Again, we'll go through the opening process. So now you can see it's opened, all the recent transactions are there. Obviously it's not checked itself on the blockchain yet, but my master nodes are not showing on there. So again, I'm missing something, so I'm going to close this down. I'm going to go back to my flash drive and pick up the 2 configuration files that are in my backup flash drive. So select the backup folder again, G999 backup, and you can see G999 and masternode. I backed them up earlier on, so we're going to copy them again, and we're going to go to the C drive, G999 data, and we're going to paste them into there, and we're going to replace the files in that destination. I'm just going to check now that the masternode has got the information that it needs, and I'm happy that the information's on there. So now finally we're going to start again our core wallet. So again, if we look through here, we can actually see that we have all the transactions in the front. And if we then go to our master nodes, we'll see that the master nodes are actually in there, but they're showing missing. So we'll just navigate down to the master nodes now. And you can see that they're showing missing. This is normal. It's normal whenever this wallet starts up, whilst it's synchronizing, it will show them as missing. Don't restart your master nodes. Don't do anything like that. Wait until the process has actually finished and gone through the synchronization. Now this is synchronizing for 8 weeks now. Once this has gone through the whole 8-week process, we can see the transactions here have all got question marks on them. And you'll see later on that as we actually verify on the blockchain, these will change. Once again, what you've got to remember is you don't have to do all of these stages. If you back it up straight away, you can see now that the coins are coming in as we're actually confirming on the blockchain. I have speeded this up because this is over a 20-minute section. Now you can see the confirmations of all the transactions coming in under the transaction section. So everything is starting to come into play. Now we're just waiting for these to enable. Once they're enabled, we're all good to go. We're just waiting for the final synchronization on the bottom. Once it's synchronized, you have completed your backup successfully. I've gone through different stages in this video just purely and simply to show you what happens if you don't fully back up or you don't fully restore all the files. Please remember that once you start the backup procedure, once you've installed the wallet initially, what you need to do is take your initial backup file, then copy your 2 configuration files, your G999 and your masternode configuration files, to the location on your C drive that the wallet has been installed into. If you do that all at one stage, you'll get to the last stage straight away and everything will back up as normal. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to helping you again in the future.